Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on social media training with Hootsuite Academy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Unlocking the potential of social media for your business is essential. Hootsuite Academy offers a variety of training resources, making it easier for beginners to get started. First, visit the Hootsuite Academy website. Create an account by entering your email and setting up a password. Check your email for a confirmation link and verify your account. Once logged in, explore the course catalog. Filter courses by skill level to find beginner options. Select a course that interests you, such as social media for beginners. Review the course description and prerequisites to ensure it aligns with your goals. Click on Enroll to officially register for the course. Once enrolled, you can access the training materials immediately. Take notes during the video lessons and complete any quizzes provided. Don't rush through the course, take your time to absorb the information. Engage with any community forums or discussion groups linked to the course. These interactions can enhance your understanding and provide networking opportunities. Utilize resources like downloadable guides or worksheets that are often included. After completing the course, review your notes and highlight key takeaways. Consider applying what you've learned to your own social media strategy. Track your progress by implementing new techniques and assessing their impact. Return to Hootsuite Academy periodically to stay updated with new courses. This ongoing education will help you refine your skills over time. By leveraging Hootsuite Academy's training, you save both time and money. Invest in your professional development today with these valuable resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.